Welcome to the Photorealistic Exteriors course, where you will learn how to turn this basic model into high-quality photorealistic render. We are an experienced company with over 20 years of experience in 3D and architecture. We designed this course for anyone seeking to greatly improve their 3D skills in order to achieve highly realistic exteriors. By the end of this course, you will be able to deliver outstanding images to real customers. This is a step-by-step course, so you will know exactly what to do. We will start with adding details, furniture, and accessories, and continue with texturing and creating expert materials. We will also cover composition, both in theory and practice. Then we will light the scene as per our photo reference and finish with post-production. The ideal student for this course is an existing 3D artist that wants to learn how to create photorealistic exteriors, or an expert looking to expand on their current skills. We have also included many tips and tricks and useful free scripts and plugins, which will make your workflow much faster. This is a step-by-step course, so at no point will you feel lost or without the knowledge to make the same photorealistic renders. All source files, textures, and materials are provided, and you are welcome to contact us if you have any questions. Feel free to look through the course description, and we look forward to tutoring you.